Kim Townsel here. I'm going to review this hunting flashlight today. Have a guest host who wants to remain anonymous, but she'll be helping me when we do the operation part in the dark. Check in the text below, and also in the comments I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. Has a nice case, carrying loop on it, for snap closures, padded on the top, padded on the bottom, comes with a battery, don't know what that is yet, and pretty hefty flashlight. Looks like it has 3 lights in it. That's probably where you cut it off and on. Looks like a battery charger. I wonder if it charges different kinds of batteries. I have to take the plastic off of this before I charge it. Okay. And not sure what that is. Looks like it screws in the bottom of this. That's already got a battery in here. Don't know if I take the plastic off or not. Let's see if it's already charged. This is remote control flash. Well, that's pretty cool. I don't know exactly how you would use that. Remote control. So it doesn't come with any instructions. I'll have to go back on the Amazon link. Get all these features. Okay, it has green light, the blue light, red light. Looks like you have to click through to get to the light you want. Alright, charge this one up to have as a spare. This is an Anchor outlet extender. I have a review up about it. I was so impressed that I bought 3. Put them throughout the house. So this has just the little USB port. So the little indicator lights are red, showing that it's charging. I'm assuming when they turn green that this battery will be all charged up. The light is now blue. I guess that means it's fully charged. The Vastfire hunting flashlight has 3 separate color LEDs. It has the black light at 15 watts that is supposed to help you track blood and do some other fun stuff. It has the green flashlight for deer hunting, which we'll talk about again in a few minutes. It's supposed to have 500 feet and 1,000 lumens. It has a red light. Again, 500 feet, 100 lumens. And it has a no-click noise for hunting so that you can cut the flashlight off and on easily and without noise, which we'll show you during operation. You can mount the flashlight. It's very small, very lightweight, very ergonomic. You can mount it and use the cord that I found out that has the coil on it and use the remote control there to cut the light on and off so that you're not having to touch the flashlight and disturb anything on the tool. I'm going to say it that way. Here's how that works. You can mount the flashlight up there. You have the coiled part, and then you can touch the remote to cut the light off and on. Here's the disassembly if you're interested in taking it all apart. So I'm not a big hunter. I looked up why green light would be better for hunting, and it said that animals are not spooked by a green bulb and that insects are not attracted to a green light. So that means that next year I'll be putting the green light bulb on my front porch to leave on 24/7 instead of the black light that's in there now. So you can look up and see there's some variants on the evidence for that, and I probably have some hunters who are going to know more about this than I do. So please leave your comments about that. It's below 10 degrees outside, so I'm not taking the flashlight outside in the woods to see how bright it is out there. If you want to click on the link that I provided in the text and in the comments, you can go to Amazon, and a customer has uploaded a very good video of shining the flashlight outside to show you how far the light cast, what it looks like outside. It doesn't have any words to it, it's just sound. The blue light does have black light features. You can see things that are white are kind of glowing in the dark over there. Not like a skating rink or anything, but it does capture the things that are lighter and make them a little bit brighter. It's too cold to go outside, but I meal prepped today and saved 2 containers of ground turkey breast, so it's going to be like turkey blood light. I was just curious if this would help show the blood. And I don't really see that it, maybe that does, the blue light. You should see some blood spots a little bit better, maybe. What do you think? Red definitely doesn't. Green really doesn't. Maybe the blue one does. So it's actually a great flashlight for kids if you have a kid that wants to play with the flashlight, because of the 2 rechargeable batteries. You're never going to run out of batteries and tell the kid that you got to wait till you can get batteries in the store. So.
And then, if the kids want to watch a video about finger puppets, we're going to have an ending part about that. So, like, if they wanted a bunny in the finger puppet thing, or they could make a bird fly in it, or anything they want to make with the finger puppets.
Yep, and they can have a lot of fun with the black light because it'll make everything white glow in the dark. Thanks for watching my video review of the Vastfire hunting flashlight. Remember, it's free to give the video a thumbs up. It's free to leave a comment. It's free to share the video if you like. And if you're checking the comments below, I'll provide a link so that you can buy yourself or someone else one of these flashlights if you like. And until we meet again, let's just help each other keep everything bright. Give time before you go. Watch another video. Thank you very much. Bye.